You have to eat these two little fellas because you eated this one.
Oh, Zach. Zach is a wonderful child. I could not ask for a better son. He is super social. Everybody loves Zach. He's very funny. He's engaging. He's empathetic. He can really match people's feelings, personalities. My name is Catherine Damon. I am a third grade teacher in Fairfax County. Zach came to me at 2 years old. He came with his brother, who was an infant. He was 2 weeks old. He was in 2 foster families before me, and he had tried to reunify with his mother, which didn't work out. So then he went back to another foster family, and then he came to live with me. When Zach came, he had some, behavior issues. He was, a little bit more reserved. He was a little bit more frightened, but he's getting better. I can see with every month, every year that, he's growing. But he's just a dynamic, super kid.
Almost put all of these in here, you win. If you like this, have 1 or 3 or 4, you just win.
Okay. Zach loves to hear his story. He's always asking, can you tell me my foster care story? Can you tell me my adoptive story? And he has a good relationship with most of his family. He has a relationship with his Aunt Sarah. And so sometimes when Aunt Sarah comes over, she'll call his dad, who's in Saudi Arabia. I keep in touch with his mom, so I can send her pictures and let her know how he's doing. He has a brother and a sister who are with an aunt, and so he is able to see them. He knows his foster families that he was with, so he loves to hear his foster care story. And so he has all this family, and we talk about when he was born. We've been very lucky that we've been able to get pictures. So he has his entire story from when he was born until now, and so his story is complete. I think I have the same hopes that most parents have for their children. I want him to have a good life. I want him to be healthy. I want him to be happy. I want him to have integrity as a strong man in society. But as an adoptive child, I want him to be able to know that he's loved. I don't want him to have questions about where he came from, which is why, knowing his story is so important. I want him to be able to go forth and have a strong family himself. I've been super lucky to have so many wonderful people in my life. He has known the same social worker all throughout, and I know that I can call her anytime about Zach and that she absolutely adores Zach. So I think that, if you're looking to foster, go into fostering. If you're looking to foster to adopt, that's a wonderful thing to do. It's very important for these kids to have a safe place to land when they most need it. Everyone knows Zach's adoption story, and my kids in my class all know, Zach's adopted, and Zach's class knows Zach's adopted, and we're able to share that story with others. And then, other teachers come up to me and other adults come up to me and they ask me about foster care and they ask me about, adoption, and I'm able to share that with them and hopefully, encourage others to do that as well.